Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Clark here, your librarian. There are 3 books I'm going to tell you about that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called Barefoot Dreams of Petra Luna. It's 1913 and 12-year-old Petra Luna's mama has died while the revolution rages in Mexico. Before her papa is dragged away by soldiers, Petra vows to him that she will care for the family she has left, her abuelita, her little sister Amelia, and baby brother Luisito, until they can be reunited. They flee north through the unforgiving desert as their town burns, searching for safe harbor in a world that offers none. Each night when Petra closes her eyes, she holds her dreams close, especially her long-held desire to learn to read. Through battlefields and deserts, hunger and fear, Petra will stop at nothing to keep her family safe and lead them to a better life across the U.S. border, a life where her barefoot dreams could finally become reality. Readers will love this true story of Petra, who is as strong as the black coal rock she carries with her and as beautiful as the diamond hidden within it. This book recently won a book award called the Prix de Belpré Honor and should not be missed. The next book is The Silence of Our Friends. This best-selling graphic novel is based on the true story of 2 families, one white and one black, who find common ground as the civil rights struggle heats up in 1967 Texas. A white family from a notoriously racist neighborhood and a black family from its poorest ward crossed the color line, overcoming humiliation, degradation, and violence to win the freedom of 5 black college students unjustly charged for a murder. The story deals with a bunch of real-world issues, including family relationships, friendship, dependency, and most importantly, the search for common ground. While the story is heart-wrenching, there are moments of hope and beauty, and the graphic novel format will suck you in. I highly recommend this graphic novel to learn more about Black history for the month of February. The last book I will tell you about is The List of Unspeakable Fears. Essie O'Neill is afraid of everything. She's afraid of cats and electric lights. She's afraid of the silver sick bell, a family heirloom that brings up frightening memories. And most of all, she's afraid of the red door in her nightmares. But soon Essie discovers so much more to fear. Her mother has remarried, and they must move from their dilapidated home in the Bronx to an island in New York. That's where Essie's new stepfather runs a quarantine hospital for the incurable sick, including the infamous Typhoid Mary. Essie knows the island is plagued with tragedy. Years ago, she watched in horror as a ship caught fire and sank near its shores, plummeting 1,000 women and children to their deaths. Now, something on the island is haunting Essie, and the red door from her dreams has become a reality, just down the hall from her bedroom in her terrifying new house. Convinced her stepfather's up to no good, Essie investigates. Yet to uncover the truth, she'll have to face her own painful history and what lies behind the red door. This is one deliciously creepy tale that takes place during the backdrop of the typhoid epidemic in the 1900s. Ready for something to chill your spine? Get it! If you're interested in any of these books, they'll be available for checkout at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to snag a copy and have a great day!